So what are we gonna do in the backyard today? Trip and fall, break my ankle. Now we're gonna do fun stuff. We're gonna do fun stuff. I'm not really sure how consistent you want in life, but this is out of an 8-inch 300 blackout. It stopped right here. That's the edge of the block, 16-inch block, okay? This is a 16-inch barreled AR, right? Went all the way through, stopped at the edge of the block. I mean, they're about, I don't know, I haven't pulled this apart yet, but I mean, they're literally right there. Both of them right there. So that's it, 16 inches. Doesn't matter if it's an 8-inch barrel or a 16-inch barrel. They consistently go to the same depth. They open up to the same size. I'll pull those out in a minute. And wood track's almost exactly the same. That's pretty neat.